First of all, I'm very happy to announce that the Department of Power, Government of Arunachal Pradesh is going to soft launch the online bill payment service of electricity bill. Through this system, prepaid electricity consumers can pay their bill from the comfort of their home or workplace by logging into the departmental web portal www.arpdop.gov.in or by Bharat Bill Pay ecosystem through various payment apps such as Paytm, PhonePe, BhimApp, PayZapp, MobiKwik, etc. and various banks. With the launching of this online bill payment system, consumers do not have to stand in queue or travel to the electricity department offices to pay their postpaid electricity bill. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are soft launching it today, and the formal official launching of online payment service shall be followed on. I must say that it is a boon for the people of Arunachal Pradesh during the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, as they do not worry to go out to pay their bill in their respective offices, and no more worry for power cuts due to non-payment of bills. I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to all the officers and officials of Power Department and the Planning and Investment Department for this big achievement and timely activation of this online system despite lockdown, especially during the time when we need it most. Further, I would like to inform that this online bill payment service will be introduced in phase-wise manner. In the first phase, it will be introduced in 6 RAPDRP, that is Restructure Accelerated Power Development Reform Program. Towns mainly Itanagar, Naharlagan, Pasighat, Roing, Tezu and Namsai. These 6 districts in the first phase. In the second phase, it will be launched in remaining 3 RP towns, namely Jiro, Daporizo, Alo, which will be done very soon. 16 more towns of the state under IPDS phase 2 will be included in online payment after implementation of phase 2 of the IPDS program. आप लोगों का म्यूट कर लीजिए 16 more towns, आप लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए 16 more towns of the state under IPDS phase 2 shall be included in the online payment after the implementation of the phase 2 of the IPDS program. I would also like to inform that Power Department will also launch the prepaid payment service for Itanagar and Naharlagan within a few days. The activation work of this is in final stage. For the convenience of the general public, the Department of Power is also initiating a customer care center, a first of its kind in any department in the state. It will enable the consumers to log in their power supply related complaints or any inquiry related to electricity bill over phone. After this activation, the general public won't have to travel to the electricity department offices to file their complaints or to inquire about their bills and payment. It will benefit the most consumers living in far-fetched areas of the township to just call and express their grievances or inquire anything related to their electricity connection by dialing 1912 on their phone, which is a 4-digit pan-India electricity complaints helpline number. आप लोगों का मोबाइल जो My appreciation of Chief Engineer Western Zone Engineer Bar Takum, Superintending Engineer Rubutago, and Executive Engineer Capital Electric Division, Itanagar, Engineer Joram Lali, for their hard work, sincerity and dedication under the able guidance of Secretary Planning, Shri Himanshu Gupta. Because of this online payment system has been activated online. I would also like to express sincere gratitude to Tata Consultancy Services, National Payment Corporation India, implementing agency of Bharat Bill Payment System, PayU, implementing agency of online payment, and Secure Meter, prepaid implementing agency for their assistance, support and cooperation. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal Pradesh. And congratulations to all of you, to the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.